Here was a box that I just had sitting here last season. I didn't have it purposely set as a swarm trap, but bees did move into it last, I don't know, early summer, midsummer. And I just left them alone, but I think they did. I'm sure they're dead. But this box did not have any frames in it at all. Actually, it might have one frame, I don't know. But it's sealed shut. I'm going to crack it open and see what they built in here. It's kind of heavy, so there's probably going to be honey in here. And if there is, I'll leave it open for my other bees to clean out. It's going to be nice tomorrow and the next day. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at that. So there were no frames in here. And you can see they died. But they have a ton of honey in here. Not a ton, but definitely enough for my other bees to clean up. I can actually... it's a little too wavy for me to reuse these. I probably won't reuse them. Maybe in a swarm trap. Let's see what else they have in here. Oh. It's a little brittle because it's kind of... the temperature's going down for the night. But there, man, I might even cut that off and eat that myself. But they did have food. Not sure what killed them exactly. It looks like there might have been a leak into here. That looks like water that ran in. Here you can see the queen here. So she died. They weren't queenless. She was right there. And they're definitely not in torpor because it was really warm today. All my bees are flying. But, you know, tomorrow and the next day or two, they can come and steal this honey. There is a big pile of dead bees in the bottom. Wow, look at this. Oh, man, that looks really nice right there. That's a nice chunk of honey there, but it's kind of full of water over here in the corner, so I'm feeling like somehow water must have got in here and leaked in, found a way in here, because there should not be that whole puddle in there. So that could have been a contributor to what killed him here. Just another nice big comb. Oh, I can reuse that comb after I band it into a frame. Let the bees clean out this honey. This will be a nice feeder for tomorrow. But I just thought it would be cool to open this up and see what they did in here with no frames. Yeah, and more honeycomb. Man. Ooh. I feel like if they would have just had some drainage over there, any of this water could have just ran out, but nope, it's a puddle. Some more nice big comb. Honeycomb here. Alright, well, I'll close this up. We'll get this scraped out for a swarm trap for this upcoming season. Thanks for watching.